Today we're exploring HubSpot, the all-in-one CRM, marketing, sales, service, and content platform. Famous for its robust free tools and growing capabilities. Now let's unpack what it brings to the table. HubSpot shines with its generous free CRM offering contact management, email tracking, live chat, deal pipelines, web forms, and integration with Gmail, Outlook, and more, all with unlimited users and up to 1 million contacts. Now, beyond the free tier, HubSpot's modular hubs, marketing, sales, service, CMS, and more, scale alongside your team's needs. You can build pop-ups, forms, chatbots, manage ads, automate marketing, score leads, and personalize sales workflows, and create a unified customer experience. Now, the platform is known for its ease of use, intuitive UI, drag-and-drop tools, and vast learning resources via HubSpot Academy. There's a strong integration ecosystem, and it plays nicely with Gmail, Slack, Zoom, Shopify, WordPress, and so much more. AI features like Breeze agents, they help elevate personalization and automation as well. It even includes a website builder. On the flip side, the jump from free to paid is expensive. Even starter plans ramp up quickly, and professional enterprise plans can cost upwards of several hundred to nearly $1,000 per month, sometimes with hefty onboarding fees. Marketing contact limits like $2,000 on most plans, $10,000 enterprise can also hit your wallet when scaling. Users report rigid pricing tiers. So, in summary, I'd say that HubSpot is hard to beat for startups and growing teams, thanks to its incredibly capable free CRM, modular hubs, and user-friendly design, all backed by powerful automation and integration. But if you're on a tight budget, expect rapidly rising costs with growth, and don't want to commit long-term, be sure to account for pricing and platform flexibility before you go all in.